Hi everyone! Today we will learn how to ask someone about age and how to answer this question. There are two different ways how to ask how old are you. In formal situation we will say Сколько вам лет? Сколько вам лет? The same question for informal situations will be Сколько тебе лет? Сколько тебе лет? Now let's learn how we should answer. And first, let's memorize next scheme. Мне, this is personal pronoun in dative case, plus number, plus год or года or лет. For example, I'm 5 years old. Мне 5 лет. I'm 81 years old. Мне 81 год. Now let's learn the second simple rule which will help us to identify when we should say лет, год or года. When the last digit of your age is 1, you should say год. When the last digit of your age is 2, 3 or 4, you should say года. And when the last digit of your age 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 0, you should say лет. So, let's practice now. I am 4 years old. Мне 4 года. I am 9 years old. Мне 9 лет. I am 50 years old. Мне 50 лет. I am 22 years old. Мне 22 года. I am 16 years old. Мне 16 лет. Please notice that this rule with last digit doesn't apply to numbers from 11 to 14. We always say лет with these numbers. We don't say мне 11 год. We should say мне 11 лет. I am 11 years old. Мне 11 лет. I am 12 years old. Мне 12 лет. I am 13 years old. Мне 13 лет. I am 14 years old. Мне 14 лет. Great! Today we have learned important phrases which you will be able to use in your conversations in future. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Спасибо и до скорой встречи!